Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It has been quite some time since I posted my last video. I got caught up with few personal work. So from the previous state of our video, I have made some updates to get the results added to a CSV file for viewing it better. Yeah. So if you look at this statement in the sysout, we could see this is our previous state where we used to print whenever a stock enters the backtesting loop, and then whenever it is completed along with the profit percentage that was made by the stock with the moving average crossover strategy and the total number of trades that were taken. This, yeah, this is our previous state. Now the recent update that I have made to the script is, once all the sysouts are completed, with the mapping that we have in hand, I am flushing out all the data into a CSV file. So here, based on the previous run, we could see a moving average crossover CSV file has been formed. I have already opened it in a different session. Let me go through the Excel. So this is what the Excel is going to contain, or the CSV file is going to contain. There will be an heading line where there are three columns: a ticker, which is stock, and the total number of trades that were taken using the moving average crossover strategy, and the profit percentage. It's a cumulative. Yeah. So for Art India, the total number of trades that were taken are 26, and we got a 90% profit from this stock. Similar to that, for About India, we have taken 26 trades, and the profit percentage from this stock alone is 120%. If you look at this one, there are certain stocks like ACC, which has given us negative result despite taking 28 trades. Ajanta Pharmacy has given negative result despite taking 28 trades. So let us quickly see how many trades, how many stocks we have. We have 188, the total count, which if you see at the right bottom corner, you see the count is 188. But however, we should ignore the first row, which is the header. So it is 187 stocks that were taken as part of sanity, and the total trades that were taken are, if you look at, let me move it a little bit. Yeah. So on an average, a ticker has taken 26 trades, but if you look at the cumulative sum, it is 4,892 trades were taken out in this 188 stock. And let's check the profit percentage. In total, we have got somewhere around 15,601 percentage. This is from 2015 to 2023, I guess. Yeah, 2015 to 2023. If we had followed this strategy, we might have ended up in 15,601 percentage. But however, there are some ifs and buts in this strategy, and how what would have happened. Okay, say for example, if in North India, if we had logged in our entire capital in one single trade, and if we had the same, if at all, if in the same time, if we had an opportunity or a signal in the moving average crossover strategy for the ticker ACC, then we might not been able to take this trade. That's a catch here. This is one thing. And then sometimes, say suppose your capital is 1 lakh, okay, or 10,000 maybe per se, and due to some trade you have lost say 5% of your capital, and your current capital is 9,500 capital after loss. Now if you calculate 1% or 2% profit from this, it will be, say suppose now you are calculating 1% profit, it will be 9595, 9,995. This will be the profit. So we might have after profit. In sequence, if you would have seen this, though our initial capital is oh man, this is spelling mistake. Okay, though our initial capital is 10,000, after the first trade where we might have lost 5% of our total capital. We would have got 9,500 in our hand. Now 1% profit from there. Yeah. Uh, after after 5% loss, our capital in hand would have been 9,500, and from there a percentage would result us to somewhere 9,595 rupees. So if at all we encounter loss from our capital, growing our account from there is a catch. So these are some of the catches that we have. Uh, Ambiguity in the signals. Say suppose two of the tickers shows us the signal at the same time, then we might not be able to take the trade in both the ticker, and then from the loss gaining the profit. So basically with this loops in hand, we have other few other loops as well. I'll walk you through in the upcoming videos. With this loops in hand, we might have not achieved 15,601 percentage in this strategy. So what we are going to do in our upcoming videos is to find the loopholes, fix it in our code, and do the back testing one by one. Let's do one at a time. Probably in the next video, we'll find we'll try to solve one of the loops and go to the next video, and we'll yeah, basically we'll find one of the loops, get it solved, and then move on to the next loop and get it solved, and we'll fine tune our strategy or the backtesting to give us the precise results. And on top of it, we have to add brokerage as well. Well, let's see where we how profitable this strategy is. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay tuned. Please do subscribe, like, and do post your queries in the comments. I'm happy to answer it. Yeah. Thank you very much. Bye.